Good morning. Now we stay with Boo, mother, and sister. Yes. It's rainy. Heavy rain a lot yesterday. And today also. And Boo still is driving. You see, on the body still dry. Because we keep in the house. We keep in the house like they block the rain and sun. No worry, we take care they will as well. Because we respect them like a one member of family. They are like a member of family. Okay. If they sick, we call daughter come to take a look. You see the body, the beautiful body now. Because they eat enough per day. And we share the health every 6 months. Okay. Like Boon. Hi boy, come to daddy, come to daddy. Come to daddy la 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 la. La 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 la.